Hello guys, welcome back to the video of today. I am super excited today I'm gonna show you one of the platform that will help you to make money online. This is a platform that has never been seen before. It's one of the rare platform that you've actually never came across it, and I've seen this from one of my friends that he has been making some money, and it's one of the easiest platform to make money effortlessly. If you want to make money online without spending any money, without even spending more of your time, you need to make sure that you stay tuned on this video, because I'm going to show you this platform. The good thing about this platform is that it is available worldwide, so it does not matter whether you are in US, you are in Kenya, you are in Canada, you are in Nigeria, South Africa, anywhere in the world, even India. This platform, it works worldwide. Now, first thing first, what you want to do, you want to come to this platform called GPT Planet. GPT Planet is a platform where you can earn money by completing simple tasks online, and as I said, everyone can join. It's absolutely free. It's one of the platform where you earn money for free using your free time. How good it is, free to join too, and then you can earn money by completing simple tasks, as I've said. And they do pay in Skrill, Netpela, Payer. There are a lot of channels that you can pay it out via, and one of the good things about it is that the minimum payout is $1. It means that you don't have to wait to make $100 for you to cash out. A good thing about this platform is that it's been around for years, and so far to date it has paid over $1 million in dollars to over 800,000 members. I know this can be seen too good to be true, but as I said, this platform has been around for so many years, over 10 years. So you can imagine in those 10 years they have been paying. So as I've said, if a platform has been around for some time, you know that it's legit, it's real, because anything that is fake, it does not last for long. Now, if you want to make sure that you make money and you want to make even more from this platform here I'm showing you, you need to make sure that you go and subscribe to our channel on Audience Connect, because we continue to show you ways on how to make money online, and you don't want to miss out on that. Now, to get started on this platform, you need to make sure that you sign up. You can use the link on my description. You can simply go to gptplanet.com. Now, if you want to earn more, you can come on one of this platform here. You can see this platform has been affiliated with a lot, so they've got some partners here. If you want to earn more, you can get on this one of the platforms here. It can show you that someone here, someone who's living on this month. As I'm recording this video, is the month of April, and it's showing us that here these are the people that are leading so far, and you can be on this list. And look, the more tasks that you take is the more money that you will make. Right guys, that was the video of our today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what other videos that you like to see on this channel, so that I can keep on providing you with more value. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep safe. Ciao.